Hello, good people. So we started the morning by picking the beans to cook late in the evening. Thereafter, I had to take mother to take a border so that she can go to the farm. Yeah. So apparently there were no vehicles on the road. The PSV. Remember we had an accident, so we don't have private means, though all of us are drivers. That is my sister, my mom, my dad, and I. Anyway, so due to Mandaman, there were no PSV. Anyway, after she left, I was just enjoying. So you can see how clear the road was. Yeah, those are my canals. So I decided to take a morning walk through the neighborhood just to relive the moments we used to go to the river. I'm glad that due to industry of my parents, we are enjoying a relief. Yeah, because of the water tank now that they purchased it. So water-wise, we are okay. I'm amazed by the developments in the area, the houses. People have even graduated from the mud houses to concrete house. The unfortunate part is I'm not able to trace some of the routes anyway. Here are some of the flowers. Sonachete gotare me emetambe emetambe yesonachete gotare me karingo mwana chete gotare me emetambe emetambe. Like, yeah, through the river. The well there is what used to serve us, so we had a boy known as Calvin who would fetch the water for us. Hey Calvin!
Raspberries.
Yeah. Chicken churro sana. See how dark it is, eh? The darker the berry, the sweeter it is. Gooseberry, chin, super so. Thank you, Dora. Oh, foraging for Russian confrays within the neighborhood to use as manure for my farm. County 46. I'm telling you, the place is developing. Yeah, we even have a furniture shop coming right behind our yard. Yeah, that's a good thing. You can see the roads are deserted courtesy of Maandamano Day to commemorate the 2024 souls who were killed during the demonstration. My heart is with them. Oh, thank you for watching until this point. Please subscribe if you haven't. Also share, like, and comment. Yeah, leave sweet comments. I love to hear from you people.
Ano, itatoa fruits. Imeanza.
Kata uanze vizuri. Kuja ukae. Kata. strawberries are heavy feeders. They need nitrogen, they need potassium, they need phosphorus, and also calcium to be tasty, to be big in size, Yeah, so I had to do the heavy lifting by ensuring I place some tithonia, decomposed manure from cow. I wish I can get urine from rabbits, sungura. I'm told it has the highest nutrients. Then we also have tithonia within the environment. Use that. Also comfrey. And there's some compost tea that is fermenting somewhere. I'll dilute and apply on Monday. It will have finished a week. Thereafter, I'll apply. Anyway, at least this strawberry, my dad brought it. I like the ones that I had brought. I don't know which variety it was, but it's doing quite well. Even here on the farm, yeah, beneath
Comfrey,
the
Russian
whatever.
comfrey.
My dania and on avocado had to eat the oxalis too. Expanding my
the
tyre
farm.
farm. So since it's on concrete, that's why I put a sack beneath, then soil, then the mulch or manure, yeah. And it will be ready for planting whatever I want. You're not allowed to laugh. This is the harvest from the one bean plant. Yay! Lunch, avocado, veggies, and ugali. I have to do some chores. Yeah, it was supper time. Chapodondo. Chapodondo. Yeah. Hope you have enjoyed this live. So that's how basically my Wednesday was. And yep, time to